Hi, I'm Carol with the Roaming Boomers. We're having a blast here at Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. Come on, let me show you around. Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort is a very unique property, offering guests lodging choices from campsites to log cabins to multi-million-dollar homes. During our one-night stay, we opted for a little glamping in one of their cabin suites. After a long day of driving, we really enjoyed the down-home cooking of their on-site chef. And morning brought a great breakfast as well. And after breakfast, we had a blast on a guided tour of the property's 4,000 acres, riding four-wheelers. One thing's for certain, we missed a lot of fun staying only one night. We want to go back. Well, once again, it's time for us to pack up and head out. Don't forget to visit our website, theroamingboomers.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. I'm Carol. This is goodbye until the boomers roam again.